Britt, coming to you today from my office in Dallas, Texas. Sorry for not having anything on my walls in my office. It kind of looks like if I just put lines this way, that I could be in a mug shot somewhere. So sorry about that. Just want to provide some input for what I see in the CAPS department, what we've talked about a lot with some of the challenges for online learning. And we always talk about the lack of writing and research quality that we have in students. And I'm speaking specifically about the master's program. Our adult students have not been in a college class. Many of them have not been in a college class in a long time, so therefore they're trying to remember a lot of things. But just the overall writing quality, and when I talk about quality, I mean writing format, the flow of the paper. Does it make sense from the start to the finish? Is there a stated purpose for their writing? And then obviously the content portion, because many of our students have not, again, they haven't written a paper in a while, and we have to try and introduce them to the CSU Online Library to find peer-reviewed research. They think of Google as a research engine, and I always tell them Google is not a research engine, it's a search engine, and there's a big difference between the two. So one of the things that we've tried to do to address that, and this is the first term that we've done that, is we created a course in our master's program. It's the very first course that they're going to be taking when they join the program, and it's a program in graduate writing and research. And we strip everything bare and start from the bare bones and teach them how to write, format, and actually read too a paper, and how to conduct peer-reviewed research at the CSU Online Library. So we're 2 weeks into that. I'm teaching that course right now, so hopeful that will help address some of the issues going forward. The other piece that makes it a little bit more difficult in an online class is the on-ground folks have the CSU Writing Lab where they can just drop in. Well, ours is it's available, and I'm glad that it is. But sometimes I think our students are a little reticent to do that online, and so trying to encourage them to utilize that resource is a challenge for us. So that's the big thing for us, and I think some of that is compounded, obviously, by being online. But it doesn't give us an excuse not to try and address it. So I'll let you know how this goes over the next few weeks with the new course that we have developed and we're currently executing. All right? Take care.